everyone, welcome to my channel Digipriths, where I help take your personal and professional skills to the next level. In today's video, I wanted to try something different outside of the insider series and skill development videos that I make. I want to share with all of you my work from home desk setup, which helps me to stay super productive during work time or otherwise as well. I initially started off with a basic laptop, and then as and when more projects started coming in and I needed to look at multiple windows at the same time, it became really difficult for me to just work with the small 14-inch screen that I have on my laptop, and I felt the need to have a monitor as well, an additional monitor, which will help me to have like multiple tabs open and look at things at the same time. The organization I work for has been very supportive in this aspect and helped us with a lot of these technical gadgets that can help us be a lot more productive and do a much better job at our work right from our house. So thank you so much for that, and we've also worked really hard all these years to be able to come to a place where we feel very supported in all of these aspects. So just wanted to call that out. Now let's get started with some B-roll shots of my desk setup, and then we'll talk in detail about each of these products further. Alright, first let's talk about the monitor itself. I have all of the technical specs on my system, so I might be reading out from it because I'm not so tech savvy as such. So I'm just going to read through all of the aspects of it and then let's take it from there. This is a Lenovo T3220 32-inch 4K Ultra HD monitor with a USB-C HDMI monitor, because the laptop that I have also is USB-C, so it works really well together. In terms of the model itself, you can lift this very easily and bring this down super easy. You can even stand and work if you want. This monitor will move up and you can stand and work, and this one will even tilt and it can pivot to whatever angle, so the way you want to keep it, it just makes it even more very simple. So along with this monitor there came this really sturdy stand where currently my phone is also sitting. So it has this really nice place for you to keep your phone as well, and then if you want to keep your phone there you can, or if you don't want to, absolutely fine. But I really like how this moves. Then apart from this, I have a Lenovo webcam. I'll try to insert a video of the webcam right now. So you can see this is a Lenovo plug and play webcam. If I find the link, I'll leave it in the description bar below, but it's really good. You just need to plug it in and it starts working. You don't need to install any software, which was one of the problems that I saw with other webcams. So I wanted to go with this. I saw a lot of reviews on Amazon, thoroughly checked all of the YouTube reviews as well, and then I said, okay, this is the one that's going to fit me, because I don't want to sit down and install an external software and then use the webcam every single time. I just wanted to plug it whenever I need it and it should work, and that's exactly how this one works. It's ultra wide, so it kind of like covers a lot of your background. So if your place is like really messy, then just clean it up, because I usually use like a virtual background. So because of that, I don't have any problems. It works really well for me. Next, moving on, I have these headphones that I use for calls. Whenever I have to call any of my clients who need to speak on video call, sometimes I use it as well. This is Xoxo GID 6B. I don't think you'll find this outside. This is more so for employees. Couple of features about this massive headphone. It's firstly very comfortable for the ear as well. I tend to use it for a long duration of time and I've not had a lot of problems. It just covers your ear perfectly and it has this really nice cushioning as well, so not a major problem as such. One other very cool thing is the way you switch on this headphone is you just need to tilt it and it will automatically pick up, and I don't know if you can see, there's a green light and then you can hear it says that the headphone is on, and if you need to switch it off, all you need to do is tilt it up like this. So I think it's very cool that way. So that's the headphone. The keyboard and mouse that I'm using is the basic keyboard and mouse combo. Again, if I find the link, I'll leave it in the description bar below, but I think it's pretty normal out there. And in terms of the laptop, this is the ThinkPad X1 Yoga business laptop. It will tilt 360 degrees and you can convert it to a tab as well. It has a built-in stylus. Let me see if I can pull that out for you. Yes. And you'll not believe it, I just realized this just right now when I was looking out for the detailed specs of each product. I realized that there's an inbuilt stylus in it. Till now I did not know about it. Yeah. So this is a 14-inch 2-in-1 laptop cum tablet. You can't like separate it, but you can tilt it and your keypad will be on the back side and then screen will turn into a tab. The next thing is the mouse pad, which is right here. I'm not going to drop it. I'll put a video on the screen. This again, I got it on Amazon. Very cute. It's not sturdy, it's very soft, but it gets the job done. So the chair. So this particular royal chair belongs to my dad. It's from his office. I've been using this from the last 2 years since we've been working from home after the pandemic. It's come really handy. It's very good material, lot of space, good armrest. It will go up and down. You can adjust it according to your height. It's been pretty long since my dad got it and I have acquired it after him, and it's super comfy. I thought I'll quickly share what's in my desk drawer as well. I am a crazy pen and a stationery person, so you see that I have a lot of different colored pens. I like to write in different pens every single time I'm making a to-do list, etc. And I have different highlighters, again, to highlight the different priority tasks, and I have sketch pens underneath there, and just a couple of stickies and notebooks, etc. So that's basic stuff in that drawer. And then in this one, all the wires, chargers. This is basically a fitness watch that I don't use much. My Android earphones, I use this basically to clear the screen of all the dust that comes through because of the sunlight and windows being open sometimes. So some sticky notes, etc. and then some markers. Yeah, basic stuff, nothing much. So yes, that's pretty much it, my minimalistic setup. And I enjoy working here a lot because of this big massive screen. I've enjoyed even working on a laptop. Like I will sit on the bed and do any kind of basic tasks that I need to, and sometimes when I need a lot of tabs to be open, I sit here, and predominantly I work here most of the time because I really need the big screen. But yeah, this is all of my workstation items that I use on a day-to-day basis to be really productive at my job, and I hope this is of some inspiration. And the most important thing here is to declutter your desk. If your desk is going to be a big mess, then you're not going to be able to work at peace. So I will highly recommend that you clean everything off your desk every single day, put it back in, so it's like the end of your work day, and then you go back to your bed and sleep. Again, come back in the morning, bring everything up. Yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.
This is a Lenovo T32P 32-inch 4K Ultra HD USB-C HDMI monitor. Okay, that was a really long name, but that's
Oh, this is another thing. Okay, I'm not gonna show this. The next thing is this thing here. What is this? Mouse pad. Get from I think the last. Ignore.